Good evening, everyone. It's welcome again to Tieb's Collectibles. This is Sheldon. Tonight's little goodie I have for you is my first 1968 actual Hot Wheels redline car. Yep, I picked this up, ordered it on eBay. The wheels roll, a little springy. Needs a little bit of work. It's the whole point of why I got it. I'm actually impressed at the fact that it rolls pretty well. This side doesn't look too bad. The front wheels, you see there's a little gap. I notice it's bent there. Paint's a little rough. I'm hoping I can sand that out on that side. That side doesn't look too bad. First time I'm looking at it under the bright light. So it's a Hong Kong car, so it has the the clear with the blue tint, glass, white interior, black steering wheel. I see this pillar on this side is going to have to be straightened out a little bit. Looks like someone crushed it. Let me see. The one on the other side doesn't look so bad. But considering I only paid $5 for this car, plus shipping and handling, I'm not going to complain. It is my first 68 car. Yeah. There you go. Hot Wheels, Python, 1967, Mattel Incorporated, Hong Kong. For $5, I think I did pretty darn good. She rolls pretty smooth. So once I get done with my once I get done with my test cars, painting, stripping, and whatnot, and I get a mint version of this car, I'm going to repaint it and try and keep it the same color. I believe that is Aqua Spectraflame. I'm not entirely sure, but for my first eBay pick, I think I did pretty good. I got very lucky. The wheels, like I said, the wheels roll. Body isn't in too bad a shape. Pretty much looks like it's all fixable. I love the fact that the little rivets are painted. It helps, makes it easier for me. Anyway, don't quite know what to think about the decals. Don't know if that's a Hot Wheels thing. That's the way it came from Hot Wheels, or if someone put them on. Really don't know. When I repaint it, they're not going back on. I'm not even going to try and find those, but that's neither here nor there. I do believe I can get a replacement engine. I think I can get replacement windows if I need them. I think I'm just going to straighten out the axles. That's probably going to be the first thing I do. Then I'll go from there. Like I said, until I get a mint condition one, or a way better one, this one is going to sit like this. But, like I said, my first 1968 redlines, official. Let me see. I got some other cars up here that I'm curious about. So, let me move this one out of the back here for a second. Put him out of the way. A buddy of mine, friend, gave me this. So I am going to see if I can do anything with this. It's a Mosquito. Don't know if it's, what year. Don't know if it's worth anything, but Once I'm done with the Acura, I'm going to try and do this one. See what happens. I was also given this to try. That's going to be my first attempt at fixing a roof. Poor thing is pretty well smashed in. Do not know if the glass inside is going to be worth it, but this is an old Hot Wheels. Cannot even tell you the year. Looks like 1974. Could be just a copyright of the casting. Not entirely sure, but a little Porsche. Put that one out of the way. I was also given a nice tractor trailer, a rig. So I'll see if I can save that. I think it's chlorine that has damaged all these cars. Chlorine and sand. So this I think would be look really cool if I could save it. So it's on the list. This is probably the worst Hot Wheels that I was given. Pretty beat up. Not a big fan of the green interior and bed, but don't have much of a choice. Don't know how smooth I'll be able to get this body, but yeah, all these cars will be videos sooner or later. Whoops, that's all upside down. See the paint's flaking off in my hands while I'm touching it. Thailand, Hot Wheels, 1970 something also. So I probably just got a whole bunch of 70s Hot Wheels cars, so. This might be a Texas Drive 'em, possibly. Almost looks like the other truck I have. But like I said, I think it's chlorine that's eating the body. That's pretty bad. Haven't been in a rush to start these yet because I still got to finish that Acura I have. And if anyone watching this can please tell me who makes this. The light on the top is metal. Has an opening hood with an engine in it. Everyone keeps telling me this is the Ghostbusters car. It has seen way better days. Has rubber tires. I cannot make anything out. 53 Chevy Nomad, but cannot tell you what brand makes it. It's a 53 Chevy Nomad. This one only has one rivet to drill out, so it's an easy drill. I really hope I can save any of that body, but if someone can let me know what brand made this, what company it's from. Part of me wants to say Matchbox. Those look like Matchbox axles. It is all 4 rubber tires with tread. It does have all 4 tires. The front's move. The back, I'm sure once I get the body off, I can put the wheel back on. It might move. This was found in a little kid's junk junk pile. So when I saw that, I just thought it was cool. Like I said, hopefully I could save it. That is horrible. The little light thing is metal. I haven't decided whether I'm going to try and sand it off or not. Maybe just try and smooth it out so it's round again. But was a police car. It looks like a police star there. This thing has seen way better days. Way better days. But there you go. Figured if I showed that off, you know, if I showed this off, I could show off the rest. This is my new pride and joy. Technically nothing special, but it is a 50-year-old Hot Wheels car. So it's going to go in the display till the rest of these are done. Still waiting on some more things to come in before I do the painting. Got a little bit more sanding to do on the car before I do the zinc plating. So hopefully I can get to the zinc plating this weekend, have a video for you guys on that. And that, once again, is this car. Just needs a little bit more sanding on the sides. See? I don't like the way the sides look. I still have to get a little bit more paint off of it. But I haven't really done much with this for a couple of days, but I don't like how right here in the above the rear wheels, how it's all wavy. So plenty of sanding to do. I have to get more paint thinner because the acetone just isn't working good enough on the stuff in the back. So I have to get more paint thinner. I already went through one bronze wire wheel trying to get the paint off this thing. So we're going to give a different kind of paint thinner a try. Acetone, not really working out. So, but that's where that is. So as soon as this is closer to being done, I will start with one of the other ones. And if I'm really lucky, I can figure out how to get axles in the ones that are not Hot Wheels cars. I have M2 cars, maybe I can sack some M2 axles and wheels. We shall see what happens. Anyway, thank you again for watching. The only other goodie I have that I've come up on lately is I came up with a whole rally car set and another M2. Of course, I have the phone too close now, so let's see if I can. Nothing too crazy. I like building these models, so this one, the last couple of ones I put in storage, unbuilt, so this one I'm actually going to build. Other than that, good night. You all have a good day. Once again, thank you for watching. I'll be posting more videos as I can. Once again, 1968 Hot Wheels Python, all original, with rolling wheels. If you ask me, I think I did good for $5. Have a good day. Bye.